The business of gardening throws up some fascinating and inspirational surprises. Nature itself never ceases to amaze me with its infinite variety of curious shapes and sizes. But sometimes, occasionally, you just can't help but be inspired by people. Janet and her husband have created dirt cheap plants in the garden of their home. A pretty plain-speaking couple who know their plants and have clearly worked hard to create this little gem of a plant sale near Rotherham. I'm truly inspired and energised by people who have an idea and follow it through. It's easy enough to talk about your dreams and what you'd love to do. But actually going through to the next step and making those dreams a reality takes courage and determination. Sometimes you have to take risks. You have to speculate to accumulate. You open yourselves up to all kinds of scrutiny from those on the sidelines. People are quick to give feedback. It's often unsolicited, and it's often unkind. You need to be thick-skinned when you put your head above the parapet. And here we have Janet and her husband, who have done exactly that. They've created something from nothing. Through sheer hard work. They're passionate and knowledgeable. They've put together an incredible selection of plants. There are tree ferns, gunnera, bamboo, olive, palms, cannas, and bananas, to name but a few. All in pristine condition, neatly arranged in their spotless little space. You can even take a stroll through their private jungle garden, where you'll see one of the tallest Dicksonias I've ever encountered. Beautiful on every level, in my opinion. These resourceful people, I hope, through their creativity and entrepreneurialism, have created their own self-sufficiency. More power to their elbows, I say. Now, it's easy to look at a place like this and make judgments. But let me tell you this. This place has taken investment, skill, nous, and sheer hard graft to become the little treasure that it is. Now, this place is called Dirt Cheap Plants, and I would say the prices are about right and represent good value. I didn't see any bargains, but that's not the point. The point is, here I am on a Sunday, a bank holiday weekend, taking pleasure in the company of other plant lovers. Getting free advice from experts, ideas and food for thought. I bought a plant, a rheum, for my bog garden. But I leave this place and these people with so much more. I'm inspired, motivated and energised, and I wish Janet and her husband every success. You can visit Dirt Cheap Plants by appointment. or go to one of their open days. Details are in the description box below this video.